find clear was discuss if needs are being met. Whether it's being a relationship or a job, sometimes your boss will pull you to the side, have that conversation to say, hey, like, you're missing this work or you've been late. If it's a relationship, if you feel like this person is doing something that's causing harm to you, it's important to make sure you have those check-ins because, like Sadiqa said with her friend who was married, we all change, our expectations change, our needs change. So you have to make sure you have those conversations. And during those check-ins and conversations, you want to make sure that you're paying attention. There's no judgment. Like, remember, we all have different opinions and different ways of thinking. Your nonverbal cues should be on par. You shouldn't be making faces like say, okay, hey, like, I don't like the work. I'm not saying something like that, but maybe, I think you could do your work better. You could make your work more neat, or hey, like, the house has been messy. I think you could help out, clean up a little more. You can't really, roll your eyes, suck your teeth, like things like that are really destructive communication. And also, sometimes even in the midst of conversations, like say people are going back and forth time and time, sometimes it's good to take a step back and come back because sometimes it's like so much being thrown at you. Like that person might be ready to like, throw dishes at you, say some words they can't take back.
Yeah.
So also take a chance to like catch your breath, take a step back if you really feel like you're getting overwhelmed. And that works for both the person who's on the quote unquote aggressive side or on the passive side. Like sometimes, not everything can be solved in 5 seconds. Sometimes it might take a little while.